Hey guys, do you also feel nervous while speaking English in public? Then today I will show you how to speak confidently in public. So hello everyone, my name is Sonu Kumar and this is day 10 of my spoken English challenge. And today I am going to talk about how to speak English confidently in public. Many people can speak English when they are alone, but in front of others, they feel nervous. Their mind goes blank, and sometimes they stop speaking because of judgment, because of lack of practice, and sometimes because of lack of confidence. In all of that, the first reason is fear of judgment. We think people will laugh at us or judge our mistake. But the truth is, people are busy with themselves. They don't have time to judge us. If you go and try to communicate with people, people will appreciate you and give you the suggestion where to improve and how to improve, and also what to do for improvement, and that will help you a lot. And the second reason is lack of practice. If you don't speak regularly, you are not able to speak confidently in front of public. To achieve perfection in any field, the only one thing is important, and that is practice. If you do the practice regularly, one day you will get perfection in that area. So try to speak every day for 10 to 15 minutes. If you speak in front of the camera, in front of the mirror, then that will be the best for you. And the third or last reason is overthinking. We try to make every sentence correct. That will slow us down. So don't think too much. Try to begin and try to start speaking from today. So what should we do in the beginning? First you try to make one small group and start speaking. Speak in front of the mirror. Try to speak slowly and clearly. And learn from the mistakes. Mistakes are the part of learning. Sometimes I also feel nervous, but I don't want to give up. So that I'll try. And that's how I'm improving. So that's all for today guys, and thank you for the watching video.